going to learn the very important chapter, that is circle. From this chapter, you will get 22 marks to the intermediate public examinations. You get 2 marks problems, 1 4-mark problem, and 2 7-marks problems from this chapter. Totally, you will get 22 marks from this chapter. This is very important chapter. Maximum marks you will get from this chapter only in mathematics 2B. Okay, let us, in this class, we are going to learn about the definition of the circle, various forms of the circle, and some important notes. First, see the definition of the circle. A circle is a set of points on a plane such that they are equidistant from a fixed point lying in the plane. The fixed point is called the center, and the distance from the center to any points on the circle is called radius of the circle. So here C is a fixed point, and if there are some points at the same distance, then the set of all points is called the center. The fixed point C is called the circle. The fixed point C is called the center, and the fixed distance CP is called radius. In this figure, C is the center of the circle and CP is called the radius of the circle. Next, various forms of equation of a circle. First, standard form. The equation of the circle with center, origin and radius R is x square plus y square is equal to r square. So see the diagram. X-axis, y-axis and O is the origin. The coordinates of O are 0, 0, and there is a circle with origin as a center, and P is any point on the circle, Px, y, any point on the circle. Then OP, what is OP is called in the figure? OP is called the radius of the circle. So OP is equal to R. OP means the distance between origin O and point P, x, y. So OP is equal to, take OP is equal to R. OP is distance between O and P. So by using the distance formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to R. Substitute the points 0, 0 and x, y in the formula. You get square root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to R. That implies square root of x square plus y square is equal to R. Squaring on both sides, x square plus y square is equal to R square. So this is the equation of the circle having center, origin and radius R. Next, if the center is not origin, then what is the equation of the circle? See the second point. The equation of the circle with center at h, k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here center is the other than origin. It is denoted by h, k. See h, k. X coordinate is h and y coordinate of the center is k. And radius is r. Then the equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here see the diagram. There is x-axis, y-axis, O is the origin, and there is a circle, and center of this circle is C, h, k, and there is a point P on the circle, x, P, x, y is on the circle. Then CP is radius of the circle. Here R is the radius of the circle. Take CP is equal to R. CP is distance between C and P. So distance formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to R. Substitute, take x1, y1 as h, k, x2, y2 is x, y. Substitute the points. You will get square root of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R. squaring on both sides, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So this is the equation of the circle having center other than origin. It is denoted by h comma k and radius r. So the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This equation is used to find the equation. This formula is used to find the equation of the circle when the center and radius are known. So remember this formula, these two formulae, x square plus y square is equal to r square is the equation of the circle with center, origin and radius r, and x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is the equation of the circle with center h comma k and means other than origin and radius is r. Next, coming to the third one, general equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. You should remember this equation. This is very important equation. The general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here center c is equal to minus g comma minus f. G means there is x coefficient 2g, from this you will get g, and y coefficient is 2f, from this you will get f value. Then change the signs of g and f, then minus g comma minus f, it is the center of the circle, and radius r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c. So g is g, you will get g from x coefficient and f from y coefficient, and c is the constant from the given equation. This equation is used to find when the equation of the circle is given, we can find the center and the radius of the given circle. So these three are very important. X square plus y square is equal to r square, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, and the general equation. These two are standard forms, and this last one is general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let us see the another form of the equation of the circle. Extremities form. If the extremities of a diameter of a circle are x1 y1 and x2 y2, then its equation is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Extremities of a diameter means, what is diameter? Anyone say what is diameter of a circle? The longest chord is called the diameter, or the chord passing through the center is called the diameter. So in the figure, there is a circle with center C and AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter, and extremities of a diameter means end points of the diameter. So AB diameter, A is one end of the diameter and B is one other end of the diameter. So the coordinates of A are x1, y1 and the coordinates of B are x2, y2. C is the center. So if the end points of diameter are known, then the equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So let us find the equation of the circle. See the proof. Let A x1 y1 B x2 y2. These are the endpoints of diameter. C be the center of the circle. Let P x comma y be any point on the circle other than A and B. So P x comma y. See the figure. P x comma y be any point on the circle other than B. A and B are also on the circle, but A, B kaakunda other point take P x comma y on the circle. Then we know that angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. Angle APB means angle at P is 90 degrees. How angle at P is 90 degrees? Can anyone say? Why angle APB is 90 degrees? Okay, I will tell. Since AB is diameter, APB is a semicircle. So P is a point on the circle. So angle APB is angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. You have learnt in previous classes, 9th and 10th class. So angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. So here APB angle between angle at APB is equal to 90 degrees means angle between the line AP and BP. See the figure, AB chord and BP. రెండిటికి మధ్యలో angle 90 degrees. So you have one condition in straight lines. First here, if two lines are perpendicular, then we have one condition, that is slope of those lines, the product of slopes is -1. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ లో స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ చాప్టర్ లో నేర్చుకుంటారు. టూ లైన్స్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ అయితే యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ద లైన్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద స్లోప్స్ ఈజ్ -1 అని మీరు నేర్చుకుంటారు. సో హియర్ angle, since angle APB is equal to 90 degrees, the lines AB and BP are perpendicular. AP and BP perpendicular to each other. So we can say that slope of AP into slope of BP is equal to -1. So slope of AP means slope formula. There is slope formula, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. ఇది కూడా స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ చాప్టర్ లో మీరు 10th క్లాస్ లోనే నేర్చుకున్నారు. స్లోప్ ఫార్ములా y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. సో స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ ఏపీ మీన్స్ ఏపీ ఏ x1 y1 బి పి x2 y2 అనుకొని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే వాల్యూస్ y minus y1 by x minus x1 అవుతుంది స్లోపు, ఇంటూ స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ బీపీ p ఈజ్ x1 y1 p ఈజ్ x2 y2 తీసుకొని y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x2 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే x2 minus x1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే y minus y2 by x minus x2 అవుతుంది is equal to -1. So here we are taking the slopes of AP and BP and their product is equal to -1. Then simplify this denominator x minus x1 into x minus x2, cross multiplication. By taking cross multiplication you will get y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to -1 into x minus x1 into x minus x2. Then bring the RHS to LHS, we will get x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus minus ఉంది కాబట్టి LHS కి వస్తే plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle when extremities are known, when the endpoints of diameter are x1 y1 and x2 y2. This formula is used when the endpoints of diameter are known. You should also remember this formula. So you will get 2 marks question on this. And endpoints of diameter ఇచ్చి ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ కనుక్కోమంటే ఈ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. 2 పాయింట్స్ x1 y1 x2 y2 అనుకొని. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు so see the first figure, x axis y axis, there is a circle with center as origin. Here O is the center, that is origin, and px comma y is a point on the circle. Then in this figure PA, when draw PA to x axis, then there is triangle OAP is formed. OP is the radius of the circle, that is R. Then OA, length of OA becomes x, means the point x comma y లో x కోఆర్డినేట్ OA డిస్టెన్స్ అవుతుంది, AP డిస్టెన్స్ y కోఆర్డినేట్ AP డిస్టెన్స్ అవుతుంది. సో ట్రయాంగిల్ OAP లో OA is x, AP is y and OP is radius R. Then PA is perpendicular to x axis kabatti triangle OAP is a right angle triangle. So we know that here take theta is the angle at O. Then we know that in right angle triangle cos theta is the ratio of the cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So theta ki adjacent side OA, that is x, by hypotenuse is OP, that is R. So cos theta is equal to x by R. This implies x is equal to cross multiplication cheste r cos theta avutundi. X is equal to r cos theta. Then take sin theta. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. So theta ki opposite side AP. AP is y. by hypotenuse is OP is R. So sin theta is equal to y by R. This implies y is equal to R sin theta. So x equal to R cos theta, y is equal to R sin theta are the parametric equations of the circle when the center of the circle is origin. If the origin is shifted to another point, means other than the origin center unte, what are the parametric equations of the circle? Let us discuss this. So this is x-axis, y-axis, and here is a, see the second figure, here is a circle with center C. Here the center is not the origin. Then OP, take Px comma y be any point on the circle, then OP is radius, CP is radius, that is R, then PA, draw PA perpendicular to CA, then triangle CAP is also a right angle triangle. CA distance is H minus K. H minus K, PA distance is Y minus H. Triangle CAP is right angle triangle. So cos theta is equal to theta ki adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is H minus K. Adjacent side is X minus H. Hypotenuse is R. So adjacent side by hypotenuse X minus H by R. This implies cross multiplying X minus H is equal to R cos theta. This implies X is equal to take minus H to RHS. We will get H plus R cos theta. X is equal to H plus R cos theta. Similarly, sin theta. Sin theta is opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AP, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is Y minus K by hypotenuse is CP R. Y minus K is equal to R sin theta. This implies Y is equal to minus K RHS తీసుకొని వస్తే K అవుతుంది K plus R sin theta. So Y is equal to K plus R sin theta. So these two are X equal to H plus R cos theta, Y is equal to K plus R sin theta are the parametric equations of the circle with center H comma K and radius R. First దాంట్లో సెంటర్ ఆరిజిన్, సెకండ్ దాంట్లో సెంటర్ H comma K. దీని నుంచే ఇది కూడా రాయొచ్చు. మీరు సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సెంటర్ H కామా ప్లేస్ లో 0,0 పెట్టుకుంటే మీరు X ఈక్వల్ టు R cos theta, Y ఈక్వల్ టు R sin theta అనే వస్తాయి. సో ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ ఇచ్చి పారామెట్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ కనుక్కోమంటే ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ నుంచి సెంటర్ H కామా K కనుక్కొని అండ్ రేడియస్ R, సెంటర్ రేడియస్ లో ఎలా జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ చెప్పినాను. ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేసి సెంటర్ రేడియస్ కనుక్కొని ఈ H కామా K ప్లేస్ లో సెంటర్, R ప్లేస్ లో రేడియస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే యూ విల్ గెట్ ద పారామెట్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు సమ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ నోట్స్. First one is if g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, then x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents point circle. Here g square plus f square minus c రేడియస్ లో ఫార్ములాలో ఉంది ఇది స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ g square plus f square minus c equal to 0. సో అది రేడియస్ 0 అయిపోయిందంటే ఇంకా సర్కిలే ఉండదు అనమాట, పాయింట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ ఒక్కటే ఉంటుంది. రేడియస్ అంటే ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉండే పాయింట్ లెంత్ ని మనం రేడియస్ అంటాము. సో ఆ డిస్టెన్స్ 0 అయింది అంటే ఇంకా దెర్ ఇస్ నో సర్కిల్, ఓన్లీ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది. దాన్నే మనము పాయింట్ సర్కిల్ అంటాం అనమాట. సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ ద సెంటర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఈజ్ ద పాయింట్ సర్కిల్. The equation of the point circle with center origin is x square plus y square is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. Radius 0 అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి x square plus y square is equal to 0 is the equation of the point circle. Then coming to second point, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash అవుతుంది. Concentric circle differs only constant అన్నమాట. Then sixth one, if the radius of a circle is 1, then it is called as unit circle. Radius అనేది ఉంటుంది కదా సర్కిల్ కి, ఆ రేడియస్ వాల్యూ 1 అయితే అప్పుడు ఆ సర్కిల్ ని మనము యూనిట్ సర్కిల్ అంటాం అనమాట. సో జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు r స్క్వేర్ అనుకున్నాము. రేడియస్ 1 అయితే గనక r స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ లో 1 పెడితే x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది యూనిట్ సర్కిల్. లెట్ us see some example problems. Find the equation of the circle with center 1, 4 and radius 5. So their center and radius are given in the problem. We have to find the equation of the circle. Then given that center 1, 4, it is denoted by h, k, and h is 1, k is 4, radius r is 5. Then the equation of the circle with center h, k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Second formula is equation of the circle with other than center of the circle other than the origin అయినప్పుడు equation of the circle formula ఇది. ఇందులో h, k and r substitute చేస్తే x minus 1 whole square plus y minus k 4 whole square is equal to 5 square. x minus 1 whole square a minus b whole square formula ప్రకారం expand చేస్తే x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 అవుతుంది is equal to 5 square is 25. Then simplify చేస్తే you will get the equation of the circle. Then second one, find the equation of the circle whose extremities of a diameter are 1, 2 and 4, 5. So there are endpoints of diameters are given. x1, let us say x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then we have the equation of the circle with extremities of a diameter x1, y1 and x2, y2 is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Substitute the values. We get x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus y minus 2 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. Then multiplication x square minus x into minus 4 minus 4x minus 1 into x minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 plus y square y into minus y minus 5 minus 5y minus 2 into y minus 2y minus minus plus 2 into y 10 is equal to 0. Simplify చేస్తే then x square plus y square minus 5x minus 7y plus 14 equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle having the endpoints of diameter are 1, 2 and 4, 5. Then see another example. Obtain the parametric equation of the circle represented by x square plus y square plus 6x minus plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. So జనరల్ ఫామ్ లో సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంది, దానికి మనం పారామెట్రిక్ ఫామ్ లో చేంజ్ చేయాలి. సో ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఈస్ x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 equal to 0. Comparing this with general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. We get 2g. Two equations compare చేస్తే 2g means coefficient of x 2g is equal to 6 in the given equation. This implies g is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. Then 2y. 2y is coefficient of y. In the given equation, there is coefficient of y is 8. So 2f is equal to 8. That implies f is equal to 8 by 2. That is equal to 4. And c, constant c is equal to minus 96. So first we have to find the center and radius. Center h, k is equal to minus g, minus f. ఇది జనరల్ ఫామ్ చెప్పినప్పుడు చెప్పినాను నేను. మైనస్ g, minus f అనేది సెంటర్ అవుతుంది. సో మైనస్ g వాల్యూ 3 వచ్చింది, minus 3, minus f వాల్యూ 4. So minus 3, minus 4 is the center of the given circle. Then radius r is equal to formula square root of g square plus f square minus c. That is equal to gfc. Substitute చేస్తే g is 3, so 3 square plus f is 4 square minus c is minus 96. So minus of minus 96, that is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16 plus minus into minus plus 96. This is equal to square root of 121, that is equal to 11. So that is radius r is equal to 11. We have the parametric equations of the circle are x equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Substitute చేస్తే ఆ values ని h is the x coordinate of the center, that is minus 3 plus r is radius 11 cos theta. Then y is equal to k plus r sin theta, that is equal to k is minus 4, y coordinate of the center minus 4 plus r is 11 cos theta. X equal to minus 3 plus 11 cos theta, y is equal to minus 4 plus 11 sin theta. These are the parametric equations of the circle, given circle. So ఇవి 2 marks questions కి ఈ విధంగా అడుగుతారు. So in this class, what we have discussed in this class, definition of the circle and different forms of the circle. a center equation of the circle having center as origin and radius r is x square plus y square is equal to r square. And second one is equation of the circle with center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Next, the third one, general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2y plus c is equal to 0. ఇవన్నీ మీకు నోటెడ్ అయిపోవాలి. దీనికి సెంటర్ వచ్చి మైనస్ జీ కమ మైనస్ ఎఫ్, రేడియస్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ జీ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ సి. నెక్స్ట్ equation of the circle with extremities of diameter, that is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. And parametric equation of a circle, అవి x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. So these are the various forms of the circle.